Bet you didn't know Jamaica manufactured and exported cars. Even if you do, let's put some more highlight on this wonderful achievement as our nation approaches Jamaica's 60th anniversary in August 2022. Launched in 2003, Excel Motors Limited started making cars comprising of fiberglass chassis and 1.5 litre Japanese-made engines. One of the main forces behind the project, Chief Executive Officer of Excel Motors, is Patrick Marzouca. He has been credited with the company's success and the fact that it exports motor cars to the Turks and Caicos. Marzouca moved from the United States and hired a German engineer and ensured Jamaica's Bureau of Standards level. He advised that it has been a grueling process, especially since he was consistently faced with skepticism from the locals. A lot of people are not very receptive to the fact that Jamaica is fully capable of manufacturing motor vehicles.
That now go happen. That will never happen. You will never live to see that happen.
Marzouca's growth strategy is based on supplying an overseas market, the Jamaican car rental industry, and special government sectors. The vehicles could be custom built to better suit the police force. At the time of the first export to the Turks and Caicos, Minister Honorable Carl Samuda pledged government support to the manufacturing sector as a means of overcoming Jamaica's economic difficulties. He assured Excel Motors that funding will be available through the Development Bank of Jamaica and the Exim Bank to ensure the project continues to succeed.